Hello guys, welcome to my channel Biography of Great Scientist. Today I have prepared a new video for you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video. And the topic and scientist of today's video is Isaac Newton. Let's start our video. Isaac Newton is best known for his theory about the law of gravity, but his Principia Mathematica 1686 with its three laws of motion greatly influenced the Enlightenment in Europe. Born in 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England, began developing his theories on light, calculus and celestial mechanics while on break from Cambridge University. Years of research culminated with 1687 publication of Principia, a landmark work that established the universal laws of motion and gravity. Newton's second major book, Optics, detailed his experiments to determine the properties of light. Also a student of biblical history and alchemy, the famed scientist served as president of Royal Society of London and master of England's Royal Mint until his death 1727. Now we will talk about his early life and education. Newton was born on January 4, 1643 in England, the son of a farmer who died 3 months before he was born. Newton spent most of his early life with his maternal grandmother after his mother remarried. His education was interrupted by a failed attempt to turn him into a farmer, and he attended the King's School in Grantham before enrolling at the University of Cambridge Trinity College in 1661. Newton studied at a classical curriculum at Cambridge, but he became fascinated by the works of modern philosophers such as Rene Descartes, even devoting a set of notes to his outside reading the titled Questions Quodam Philosophic. He constructed the first reflecting telescope in 1668, and the following year he received his Master of Arts degree and took over a Cambridge. Asked to give a demonstration of his telescope to the Royal Society of London in 1671. Through his experiments with refraction, Newton determined that white light was a composite of all the colors on the spectrum, and he asserted that light was composed of particles instead of waves. His methods drew sharp rebuke from the established society members. Robert Hooke, who was unsparing again with Newton's follow-up paper in 1675. Newton's three laws of motion state that every object in a state of uniform motion will remain in the state of motion unless an external force acts on it. And second, force equals mass times is equal to acceleration, F is equal to ma and under square 3. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton was also an ardent student of history and religious doctrines, and his writings on those subjects were compiled into multiple books that were published posthumously. Having never married, Newton spent his last years living with his niece and Canterbury Park near Winchester, England. He died in his sleep on March 31, 1727, and was buried in Westminster Abbey. Yet, even among the brilliant minds that drove the scientific revolution, Newton is remembered as a transformative scholar, inventor, and writer. He eradicated any doubts about the heliocentric model of the universe by establishing celestial mechanics, his precise methodology giving birth to what is known as scientific method. Although his theories of space-time and gravity eventually gave way to those of Albert Einstein, his work remains the bedrock on which modern physics was built. So guys, it was some basic information about the Newton and his law and his life. Hopefully this video was informative for you. Please keep in touch with my channel. Thank you.